So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change TikTok language. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your TikTok app. So let's do that. Once you've opened your TikTok app, you can see at the bottom home, friends, you can see the plus sign. You can see your inbox as well as your profile. Now from here, I suggest you click on profile, and on there you can see your entire profile setup. Usually it's in the language the app itself is. So once your entire system is in one language, like English, right here, it's going to usually be in that language. So in this case, it's going to be in English. But if you want to change it, you can go to this top right corner with the hamburger menu. You can see TikTok Studio, balance, QR code, as well as settings and privacy. And let's click on settings and privacy. On there, you can see account, privacy, security, and permissions, share profile notifications, and many more options underneath. So from here you can see account, but I suggest you go to security and permissions. And if language isn't popping up straight away there, you can just go and just slide down or scroll down until you find the language option, which is sometimes there. So you can see the language right here. It says app language. Select your default app language. So you can click on that. And from there, you can see the many available languages on here. Just right here, you can see Azerbaijani, you can see Czech, then Danish, German, English, UK and US version, Spanish, then Spanish for Latin America, French, French Canadian, and you can see there's really even different nuances in the language, and you can just click on some language and it will change right away. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TikTok or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.